How to take a screenshot on an iPad? There are two ways to do this. The first one is the easiest one and the most common one. In this method, you are going to press the volume up and the power button together. And that is what is going to help us take a screenshot on the iPad. So let's do it. So as you can see, we have a screenshot right here. The second method is, guys, just swipe inward from the left corner and it's going to take a screenshot, and that is very useful. And if you want to edit, guys, you can use these tools and get it edited as well. And you can also crop your image if you want, and there you can see it's automatically gotten cropped, and you can just go back according to your needs, and that is very handy. When I take a screenshot, guys, I can also select text. So here you can see we have full page and the screen itself as well, and on the right side you can see that we have select text. So I can actually go and select text of whatever is in my screenshot or on that page, and that is very useful. I don't have to go and actually select or type anything. I can just use this and it's so much easier.